Hello, everyone. Kevin from KTech Services, back again for another educational digitizing video here. This video, I'm going to try to make sure. I basically just want to explain some of the tools and features of Design Shop, so that I don't have to spend time on that when I do the video, so I can keep those shorter. Okay. Okay. So let's talk about. I'm just going to do a complex fill. See, I have crosshair, and I just want to kind of point that out. Depending on how you want your cursor to be, I'm just going to touch. I go to Tools, Options, and then Preferences. Let's talk about this. Well, first thing, let me draw. Let me go ahead and just digitize some kind of weird complex here. I don't want a whole. I want to start. I want to end, and then I want a one line. Okay, so there we go. We have just kind of a complex fill here, and so let's talk. Let me go. Okay, so when I digitize something, I have the crosshairs. That's what I'm trying to point out here. Tools, Options, and then Preferences. So just so you know where that's at. That's all I have. I'm more stuck in old school Digitrack days when I first learned many years ago, uh, many decades ago. Okay, we're not going to go there too much. So that's why I like the full. Not another thing that I like. So I like the full crosshairs, but again, you do whatever you like. You can try all those out or what you prefer. On the nodes and stuff like that, and let me go ahead and go back into preferences again. I have it set to large. Now, of course, I think like default is like that size, but the bigger the better, in my opinion. You can actually see the nodes and everything. So I'm going to always click that to the largest. Okay, right off the bat. Okay. Okay, so that's the first thing. Just so first thing there. Let's talk about sizing and stuff. So basically, if I grab one of the nodes, I can do X or Y, as you kind of see here. It's unlimited, undo, and redo. Center design, if you like that. Make sure you always center design. Let's see here. Okay, so okay, so we got the nodes. So if you want to do it proportionally, if you hold the Shift key down on your keyboard, you can lock it and you'll do it proportionally. If you don't, then you can move X or Y. That's kind of the trick there on that. Now the other way that I like to do this per se is down here at the bottom. Okay, this is what's like a push pin, or you got width and you have height. And if I want it to be exactly 4 inches, then I'll make it 4 inches and then do the other side proportionally. If you only want to do one side, you unclick this and then won't see the orange. Now it's a little bit different in different versions of Design Shop. Just so you know, I'm running version 12 Melco, so you just have to kind of. It might be blue or it might be orange. Okay, but if it's pushed in, then it's gonna do it proportionally. If it's off, then it's only gonna do the one side. If you use the number toolbar down here, we're gonna do. I think that's it with that. Now the other thing is is a note. Okay, so always pay attention how your cursor changes as you touch something. Okay, I think that's a real important thing here. So if I hover over this, it changes to an X and an O. That telling me that I can move the start point, and I come over here. Oh, okay, then I can move the end point. Okay, if I go over here, it's going to go to a triangle, telling me, oh, hey, I can move this. FYI, if now, granted, you can hold down your left click of your mouse and drag it up and down. Now, if you're a keyboard person, hold your shift key on your keyboard and your up arrow, your four arrows, and you can actually move it by ones. Okay. Then shift alt is tens, and then shift control is hundreds, if you care for that. Okay. If I touch this line right here, it goes to an underscore. That's telling me that I can lay a digitizing point on that line. On your mouse, left click is a straight triangle, right click is a curve with Bezier functionality. Okay, and so if I come over here, touch that, and right click on it, it's going to do a Bezier or a circle with a Bezier functionality. If you don't know what Bezier means, it's these little hooks and you can kind of twist it however you want. That's what the bit. And it's unlimited. I can keep putting as many nodes as I want to make sure you get the underscore. So that, and you can go through your whole element and just keep adding on if you want to. Okay, so that's what that does. I think we're good there. Okay, so that's just kind of a couple of things. The only other thing I want to kind of point out in this video real quick is the accelerator keys real quick here. So I'm going to go to the Excel editor. Um, You can set it up however you like. I mean, to make it quicker for you. Now, for me, I don't have too many, but all the commands in the software are right here. And let me get down to at least like column one. I have the number one on my keyboard, and then for complex, I have the letter C, and then that I just the ones that I use a lot. And of course, all the way at the bottom, like walk normal, I have a W. And that's kind of cool because as I digitize, I can just hit the W and then that tells me, oh, hey, it's a walk stitch. And the other thing too, enter will close any element. When you're laying points, enter on the keyboard will close the element. Okay, and then you just continue on with the next element. But I have on my mouse, I have the wheel, okay, and I have that set as a enter. Okay. So when I do this as a walk, I can walk this and then I can press the enter click on my scroll wheel, and and then I don't have to sit there and go and hit that on my makes it faster. Okay, and if I hit the letter C, I can do a complex, and okay, no whole. I'm going to enter again. Then I'm going to do a start and end, and then a line to do that. Or I can do a column one, and do that. You get the idea. I just wanted to kind of do this quick video, kind of give you a little education as you watch more videos. You'll understand where I'm doing things and how I have it set up my way. Okay. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate that. As the more I think of things, I'll do more videos. If you can give me a thumbs up, I appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks a lot.